Welcome to the channel. Today we will discuss success stories from companies such as Procter & Gamble, Microsoft, Toyota, and Salesforce that have used time measurement to improve productivity, reduce costs, and optimize resources. The image presents how time analytics impacts operational efficiency, from supply chain to customer service. If you are looking to apply these practices in your organization to transform your bottom line, stay until the end of the video. P&G was facing efficiency issues in its supply chain, especially in product loading, unloading, and transit times. The challenge was to reduce logistics costs and improve the timeliness of deliveries to retailers. P&G implemented a real-time tracking system to monitor and adjust logistics processes. For example, it achieved a 20% reduction in loading time after improving coordination between warehouses and carriers in Europe. The benefit was a 12% decrease in logistics costs and strengthened relationships with retailers. The lesson learned was to involve all actors in the supply chain as it facilitates collaboration and generates sustainable improvements. During the pandemic, Microsoft needed to ensure the productivity of its remote teams and avoid burnout. IT faced the challenge of maintaining a balance between productivity and personal well-being. To achieve this, it used My Analytics to provide weekly summaries of time use. For example, one development team reduced time spent in meetings by 40% by adopting shorter meeting policies and devoting blocks to focus work, increasing productivity by 15%. The benefit was a better work-life balance and greater job satisfaction. The lesson learned was to encourage self-evaluation and transparency to improve productivity without generating over-control. Toyota, a leader in lean manufacturing, was looking to reduce production time without increasing operating costs. The challenge it faced was to optimize assembly line time by eliminating waste. To achieve this, he used lean methodologies such as Kaizen and SMED to analyze and adjust times at each stage of the process. For example, he achieved a 30% reduction in machine setup time at a plant in Japan, increasing daily production. The benefit obtained was an improvement in quality and overall competitiveness. The lesson learned was that continuous improvement, with the participation of all employees, creates a culture of efficiency and collective commitment. Salesforce was looking to reduce support response times to improve the customer experience. Its challenge was to reduce the average ticket resolution time and optimize the team's workload. To do this, it used its own CRM tool to measure response times and train staff in critical areas. For example, it achieved a 25% reduction in resolution time by creating quick guides for frequent queries. The benefit achieved was an increase in customer satisfaction and the ability to handle more inquiries without expanding the team. The lesson learned was that time measurement allows to identify critical areas and apply solutions that impact both costs and customer experience. Success stories from P&G, Microsoft, Toyota, and Salesforce demonstrate that time measurement is a transformative tool. By identifying inefficiencies and applying strategic solutions, companies can optimize their operations, improve customer satisfaction, and strengthen their market position. If you want to implement time measurement strategies in your organization, contact me on LinkedIn for a personalized consultation. Together, we will design a plan tailored to your needs. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and learn how to buy time for your day-to-day business.